In this module, you will learn about the traffic lights, which are the third and last division of traffic signs. Traffic control signals. Traffic control signals, also known as traffic lights, are signaling devices posted at intersections, pedestrian crossings, and other locations to control the flow of traffic by giving priority to different traffic streams, including pedestrians. These traffic lights are displayed in a standard color: red, amber, or yellow, and green. Generally, these lights are used as traffic lights: red, amber, or yellow, and green; directional light; intermittent light; pedestrian light. Traffic light: red. A red light signal means you must stop and do not enter the intersection. Motorists must stop before the stop line. Traffic light green. Green light signal means you may proceed in a controlled manner because the light may change at any time. The yellow box may not be clear. Remember, the blinking green light means that the green light is about to change to amber. Yellow or amber light. Amber or yellow light signal means that you must stop if safe to do so. This quick decision can be made if motorists anticipate the point of no return. Point of no return is the point beyond which you will not be able to stop. Directional light. Directional lights are used at intersections along with the traffic signals to control the movement of the traffic in particular direction, mostly to the left or U-turn. Intermittent light. Intermittent lights are flashing amber or yellow lights fitted mostly on single light posts. These lights are commonly used on pedestrian crossings or near the school zone to warn the motorists that priority shall be given to pedestrian and children. If the regular traffic signal shows intermittent light, it means give way to the vehicles coming from the left. This practice is commonly seen at roundabouts. Pedestrian lights. Pedestrian lights or signals are used to help pedestrians to cross the road in a controlled manner. It is commonly found at intersections or junctions. Pedestrians may press the button and wait for the lights to change to the green walking signal. Before crossing, make sure the vehicles have stopped. If the pedestrian green signal flashes, do not begin to cross. Accident at traffic signal. In this video, you will see the consequences of not following the traffic signals. Traffic signal law. The law says that if there is not a policeman organizing traffic or any traffic sign for the same purpose on junctions or crossroads, the priority of crossing must be given to vehicles coming from a main road. Where there is a roundabout, priority shall be given to whoever is coming from the left. Article 8 UAE Federal Traffic Law Number 21, 1995. Always drive safely and follow the traffic sign, rules and regulations to drive safely. And remember, safety is more important than priority.